What's up, guys? Good morning. Michael here from Glowbox, and we are starting the morning stream. Yeah, um, cool. Let's go here, and first things first, go to this text, and we're gonna hide that. I don't like that you're. Can I move it while I? Psych. Remove from local view. Now let's do this. Okay, so yes, brief little intro to this live stream. I'm learning character animation in Blender, and I found these two free rigs, Rain and Vincent, Rain version 2, and they're both free on BlendCloud. Let's go grab them. And they're like completely free commercially to use, and make $1 million on them just as long as you mention Blender Cloud. They're like basically Pixar level rigs, but easy to use, I think. Hence, I'm trying to do this short animated little episode here using these rigs, and I got the bar set free too. I can't remember the artist, but yeah. They're okay with me using it. Yeah, and let's do one of the things I like to do is quickly throw this up and make sure the desktop audio is on, and so you can see kind of where we're at, because what I'm doing to keep things more interesting for myself and maybe people that actually found this video or watching it is to just recap. Is always to, excuse me. But wait, coffee first. Good morning. We're piecing this together as a shot, as a movie, with sound design and everything, and voiceover kind of as you go. It might not be for the voiceover, so to speak, because I'm going to get my girlfriend involved, and we're going to just do it do it in one go. So, but yeah, everything else we're kind of piecing together for fun. And here's what we got so far. Innocent boy, man, what's up? Innocent boy, man, what's up? Had a day, huh? A day. Don't even get me started, Rain. He's not gonna be Christopher Walken, but So that's it. That's where we're at so far, and that's actually not where we're at so far. We're at further than that. We have now started animating Rain's line. Let me check this out here. Innocent boy, how much money can you earn in a month using Blender? 50 million. Potentially. It's up to you. And you said it twice in a row. You copy pasted. Great. How much money can you make in a month using Blender? 80 million. It's up to you. Welcome to the channel, man. Or boy. Maybe you're not a man yet. Your name is Innocent Boy. I'm just to clarify for people. So yeah, so we're working on this, and this is an awesome rig. Let's do this proper. So this rig is a groovy rig that you can get for free, as I just explained moments ago. Where are you at, Rain? Where are you at, Rain? Okay, here it is, Cloud Rig. And our script here, we have a script. Look at this amazing notepad, super professional. And oh yeah, Wells off screen. What's New, Vince has already been lip synced here in the timeline. How's the sleep research going? New Yorkers sleeping soundly today? That's what we're gonna try to do today. We're gonna try to lip sync that today. That's it, in 2 hours. What's up, Books? Good morning. How are you? Yeah. Okay. So, also I wanted to quickly showcase something. I was where is it? I was working. I'm working. I might stream this. I might not. I don't know. I'm just having such fun in this as well. I'm putting together a quick little sci-fi thing. You know, kind of C. Bailey film inspired, and piecing it together too. And this is just super rough. Okay, but I might go somewhere with this character that I made and see what I can do here. That's it. I'm working on a sci-fi short. Thanks, C. Bailey. It's not perfect. There you go. So I might start a live stream of just working in Eevee in that as well. This is an Eevee as well, but I want to do some sci-fi since that's my genre anyway. You know, as much as I love this character animation stuff, that's a whole thing. That's a whole nother can of worms. Rudy, what's up? Can I make a video on how to use bone? Move it. Other many. Well, I'm making a video right now on how to use bones. If you consider these bones, you know, obviously these are control rigs, but it's kind of like using bones. No, I wouldn't. I'm not gonna create a video on using bones. Go out there. There's already a myriad. There's already a lot of bone tutorials out there, and you obviously want to stick to 2.8 and above. If I think it's probably easier. You always search, I think, for your tutorials for the most recent version you have. If it's not there, then you know, roll back to 2.8 or whatever. How you guys doing this morning? Thank you. What do you think about that sci-fi thing? Does that interest you, or is it just like, whatever? It's just fun to work in that, and I figure, you know, why not stream if I'm having fun building in that world? I have to write the script. It's probably just him. The first sci-fi bit about this character, introducing his characters, kind of going to introduce the style, the character, have him fly around the galaxy for a second, land on a planet, a desert planet, and find a creature and become best friends with it, like a Pixar movie. Find a creature that is not organic and easy to animate. Oh, the strip scene's up. Nice. Awesome. I will check that out in a moment. Yeah. So obviously this, you know, this is in a completely different style than the sci-fi thing. But I'm having fun both ways. Maybe I'll move the cozy stream where I, you know, maybe get loose. Goodness gracious. Excuse me. Maybe I'll move that to the cozy stream and work on the sci-fi bit there and just kind of keep the morning stream character animation. Because not my boy, I don't know, he doesn't know me. Rambler, the Rambler show does the Sonic the Hedgehog animations in the evening for many hours, and you know, he's gonna get all my viewership anyway. So I'll just stream. No, I'm not gonna character animate while he's character animating anyway. I wouldn't do that. That's just rude. And I'll do the morning stream, and he can have the night stream, and then we have programming for you guys, so there's never any competition. See, we're in cahoots. Okay. All right, let's do this. Let's go. Let's move. Let's start. What we did was, let's break this down. We took her hand off of the big thing we did yesterday was take her hand off of the bar tap. We did some finger rolls. We did this apparently necessary kind of elbow flip flop to have her hand land on her hip. She counters her weight and leans on her left foot here, and at the same time we had to make sure that her left hand is lifting, sliding, moving with some finger acting. And then we also did a little eye animating, like some face acting. We did some face acting, and now we're going to move into her lines. Now we'll do the line. Luckily, we've already discussed this, I think, in the last stream. She's got poses already for phenomes, like ANEWNOV. Those are all ST. These are all the phenomes I have so far that I can jump to. I can select all of the control rigs that are in that. I don't know if I'm doing it correctly, but this seems to work. Where I select all the control rigs in that pose, and then I call the pose, and then it'll go there. So we can pose and do the in between. Like, that saves so much time. Obviously, I mean, obviously that's a necessity to have a pose library. How many people? So many cool note for texture. How many people make so many cool note for texture? I would suggest you use Google Translate. I don't know if you're using Google Translate, but try to put, you know, English to whatever, Spanish or whatever's going on, and try to do a Google Translate again, and just copy paste what Google you said to me. I'm not sure. Maybe you can try that out. Okay. So let's get into how's the sleep research going. We already did, oh yeah, well, off screen, then on screen, what's new, Vince? Now we're going to say ha, and this is going to be your animator, your friendly, you know, animator streamer guy doing crazy face stuff for the next 2 hours, talking to himself. Okay, let's get in personal. Let's get in close and personal. We're working with the lips here. Okay. Yeah, I did. It was a necessity. I said to myself, I said, what am I doing? I said, there's no way animators go to, you know, create every phenome every time. They create a key set for that, and that's what's Pose Library in Blender, I guess. And it seems to be working as planned, as designed. And it's a huge time saver, and it's so cool. You can just keep going through in any shape you want. Like, I could go to the super happy, and then save that as a pose, or, you know, and start amassing a collection of these per project. I wonder if you could export or like append a pose library into a new project, so you don't have to create this again. Of course, that would make sense in the long run that you could save a pose. I have no idea what sanitized pose library action is. Does that just get rid of everything in here? In one foul swoop? Anyway, what is this fake user? Save the data. Well, you know, it's just so weird why anyone would want to do that. I have no idea. I'm just not smart enough to understand that stuff. Okay. So, hey, how's, how? Do we have H in here at all yet? No, but now we have to, of course, pull up our pull up our pure ref, Loadacine, Load a recent, lip phenomes. Yeah. I've gone mad, people. I have gone mad. Okay, let's find H. Let's find H. E R H. Ha ha. Okay, so she does a little smirk here at the end. We've already got that smirk in there, and we're going to have her come in. Let's zoom in a little bit more on these keyframes. Give ourselves a little bit of the graph editor here. Save our work since we have everything. We're finally ready to go. It crashes right now, and then I have to do all this over again. That would be superb. Image texture makes the texture light. How to fix? Take it out of the emissive channel? I don't know. The NLA editor is similar, but it allows an entire sequence of action to be saved. Yes! That's the next step. So pose library in cahoots, in conjunction with NLA editor, is a way to repeat actions and whatnot. I gotcha. Yeah. Yep. Mm-hmm. Excuse me while I mega hydrate. What image? What app am I using for reference? It's Pure Ref. It's the one and only, man. Everybody's using it. It's free. PUREREF. Okay. And you can have it select whether it's going to be it's always on top or not. And I have it always on top right now. Okay. Let's do an H. Give me an H. So let's do a rotate key here. Nope, not even what I did. Let's go into pose mode. Make sure we're in pose mode. Let's get an R key here, and then we'll go into, what is that, 76? How long does it take to say? How's the sleep research going? New Yorker sleeping soundly today? 6 or 7 seconds. So that is... Shut up! I'm an American. I don't know maths. We don't do maths in school here. 30 frames a second times, what did I say? 6 seconds. 180. 180 frames. Okay. So yeah, I was right about there, around 270. Math, it ain't easy. No, it's just my brain is, not built for that. Okay, so about 270, we want that whole sentence. How's the sleep research going? New Yorkers sleeping soundly today? We want that to go from about 90 here to 270. I guess. Okay. So all right. So we took that there and let's get to H right here. Let's get to H. Okay, so we have this is smirk. This is smirk stuff we need to get rid of. I had her smirking, but I'm gonna have her talking instead of smirking. I don't know how to do a shape key of the two there. Wait, she's whoa, that's an interesting. I guess she does a little smile there. And where did we start? This is what I like to do, and I forget to do it. I like to go to the first keyframe where I start the new action. I go to frame 89 is apparently where I have it. So then I can go in. So what I want to do is go here, 78, 89. So 78 is where I am going to do this thing, and then 89. So I'm matching the other key is where I'm going to come in with these guys and do a little. It's almost like it's already set up for there, but let's do a little bit of this. Looks like she kicks her tongue. She kicks her tongue. What are you doing here? What is this? Oh. What did I just select? I thought I was moving the tongue. Oh, it's not the tongue. Yeah, you can keep those keyframes. Where's my tongue? This is my tongue controller? No. Nope. That is something else. Did I? What? Books? You're a smart one. How people make cool text note. How people make cool text note? Innocent boy? Just get Notepad, man. Your computer's got it, you know. I don't know what you mean. I'm sorry. How many frame is 1 minute in Blender? 90? Just kidding. Do the math, man. That's 30 frames times 60. What's 30 times 60? And that is 1 minute. Okay. Okay, yeah, what we're doing is we're trying to bring this tongue up. And this was the tongue, right? So let's go here. Let's do a keyframe here. And then let's go to where frame 89. And let's roll it. Looks like the back of the tongue rolls up. I don't know how to do this at all. Okay, and then let's select everything that was involved in that. This guy, this guy, this guy, this guy. It looks like she's got her lips like tighter against her teeth, but I'm not gonna do that. Ha. I'm not trying to get like the best, most amazing lip syncing in the world here. I'm just trying to kind of learn it, get it done. All right, so those are what we involved, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. So then we go down to here and we do add a pose, add new pose. This pose is H. And I think that did it. I don't think I have to do this assign stuff. We didn't do that before. Bone groups. I don't know what that is, but it's different. But I think that's it. No wait, this is it. Apply pose, library pose. No, that's if I want to. This is if I wanted to, if I could select N right now, select the bones involved in the N, and then I go here, and then it'll go to N. I believe that's the case. Let's save. And texture note for color. How many people make cool text? No. Texture note for color. Texture node? I don't know, man. Maybe go try out the donut tutorial. Blender Guru. Okay. I mean that with all my heart. All right, so let's try this. Let's let's animate a laser gun shot. That's funny, because I'm gonna be needing to do that soon with my spaceship. So perfect tutorial, Blender Nation. Thank you. I'll hit that up soon. All right. Love them. I wonder if Maya and Max have like that active a community. Like I have these, the alerts that come on, and I'm always getting alerts for new tutorials coming out for Blender, like constantly. And that's only one source, right? Blender Nation. I have other sources, and it's just like they're always coming out with new tutorials. I don't think Max and Maya can compete with that. Okay. And how? So we're going to go right into W? House. W, then an S kind of thing, right? Let's find W. Okay. We already have that. So let's give it a try here. Give it an old college try, as they say. Let's go to about here, like as far away, I guess. Let's hit W. Let's make sure that we're selecting first. Let's save because I'm gonna go to wireframe, and usually it crashes when I wireframe. I'm gonna instead of trying to guess which muscles control points are involved, I'm just gonna kind of select all those, and then I think it worked last time. Is what I did was I said this, and then I said just apply. Yeah. So then we just threw a W, house, and we're gonna go to an S. House the. So then we're gonna go to. Now all of these frames, I'm guesstimating these frame distances here. They're just so I can record and lip sync in my brain and make it work sort of for myself. I have no idea if that is the amount of frames it's going to take to should it take to say those words. I'm going to, in the end, after I've created everything, squeeze things around to fit into the, what did I say, go up to a frame 270, 280 for the whole sentence, and hope that it like fits and works. Essentially. All right, so this is house, and it goes strictly to the. Let's go here where there's another keyframe already. Let's go to T. Let's go to apply that. House, like we even got the tongue in there for the T. Yeah. All right. House the. And I think it's like the just drops the tongue on that. I don't know. So let's go here and is this the tongue? The drop the tongue and the jaw a little bit, so there. How's the sleep? S. So we go to an S. Let's go back and make sure we have all. Let's save. How's the? Yeah, you're right. Let's make sure let's see if we have a TH in here. We don't. So let's make sure. Let's double check that. Because I think I used a T instead of a th. So let me go back and check in just a second here. I don't want to lose my train of thought here, which is easy to do. Did I make that one? How's the? How's the? Yeah, I think that's a. I think I did design. This T is actually TH, right? That's a TH. I should name that to TH instead. because I think that's a TH I have there, right? The. How's the. How's the. Okay, how's the. Now we're going to go to S here. Again, okay, we're back on track. Let's go to S. We already have S. We don't need to go to S. But let's make sure that all of our control points involved are selected. Select S, pose it. Hopefully they got it right. Yeah, I mean, that's my S that I created. I think it can work. This girl's got like the perfect S. This is like the perfect S. We don't need that. Not everyone. This is like obviously a reference. This doesn't need to be matched perfectly, and like I could have matched it perfectly anyway. I couldn't. So this is the S we created. And we've got her lips pulled back and teeth together, kind of. We're fine with that. So sleep. So L to E to P. Sleep. And from S to L, it's just kind of like the lips go back even more, right? Sleep. And the tongue hits the teeth for L, but it's almost like you don't see that. Sounds good. Sounds good. I'm down. So are we going to see the tongue? And you know, they do this underneath here moves depending on what people say and do, right? And that's advanced. That's advanced stuff. I'm not obviously going to do that, but I'm thinking about it, as you should as well. But I don't even know if that's in this control rig. I assume it is. They probably have some shape keys that work with the neck. Who knows? The what is this even called? That part of your face. Okay, focus. Going into from S to so we're gonna go to let's go to this next key here. I always get scared at scaling them like that. I feel like it's gonna mess things up. And you know, the humans aren't completely symmetrical anyway when they talk. So like, I don't need to match it perfectly. I just need to get a and then we go from here to E. To E. Do we have an E? We have an E. A and E right here. Select all the control points. I'll go to E. Add that pose. Sleep. And then we have a P coming up here. Did we make a P? Did we make a P? We have to in a second. I'll tell you that much. What's up? Good morning, everyone. How are you? Thanks for swinging in. Seriously. Okay, then we're going to go to, I guess, A. So, no, what? P? Wait, what am I talking about? P? Oh, wait, sleep. Whoa. Where am I? I've lost my mind, people. It doesn't take me long to lose track. All right. Okay, obviously frame 80 is where we start the next sentence. So I just lost track. I swear to God I did. So this is how's the sleep? How's the sleep? Yeah, we need a P here. We didn't create a P yet. Let's P it and pose it. P it and pose it. P it and pose it. Roll in the lips, close the mouth. Easy peasy. Really? That's the last keyframe I did for you guys. Interesting. Okay. Well. Okay. Cool. That beer tap is going to get on my nerves. I don't need it anymore. I don't need you anymore. I almost fell asleep. That save. Thank you, Blender. Let's go in and select. Nope. The fuck is it? And we're going to add a new pose. Call this one Pajamas. Sleep, and then write to R for research people. I think I made an R already. Oh my God, I need to eat something. No, I didn't make an R. What? Oh. Let's do an R together. Right here. Perfect. So what I want to do is I want to relax things I had first, right? That's what I like to do. Alt R gets rid of any rotation that you did. Let's zero out this. Did I select that? No? Why? Weird. No, okay. Alt G. I'm going to Alt G. And she looks like she's sad now. I'm going to Alt R here. Alt G. That's more for like resting face, I guess. Now let's sculpt an R. Lips. It's a little puckered. A little puckered. Okay. I have no idea. Bring your lips in even more. Ah. The secret here is these guys. Where is it? 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 Sold to the woman in black. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let's select them all. Let's create that R phenome. And that saved it to the library. I'm okay with that being an R or whatever. Now, moving on. How long have we been streaming here? Let's see. Almost coming up on an hour. Hello, Mohammed. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. And that's, she's just kind of like now we need to go to an E here. So an E. We've got everything selected already, right? Don't we? So if we go now to an E, A and E, and strike that pose, there we are. And now we have an S here. S, and then we have an E here. E again, so it's like an R. It's like more like an R. Is it? Research, yeah, ch. And then is there a CH here? Ch. Right here. Ch. 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 Search. Search or and ch are very similar phenomes anyway, so we can just round out the word. Where did we go here? No, it's not that. It's I'm not that. Look, I'm not a professional lip reader, so so I will lose track from time to time. On where I'm at. So I don't really need you in the way. You're kind of bugging me here. I don't want to hide it though. How's the what am I? Wait, what? How's the sleep research going? How's the sleep research? We got to. How's the sleep research is where we're at. We should be here. Did we not put the L? I think our tongue needs to go up on L on sleep. Am I crazy? Crazy. How's the sleep? Yeah, yeah. Sleep. That's P. That's the P for sleep. Sleep. How's the I need to put the tongue up there, I think. Let's put it on this key here. Do a little rotate on it. Move up to the teeth. Sleep. Yeah, I needed that. How's the sleep research? Yeah, okay. Whatever. Research. Let's just extend it a smidge. Then what we're gonna do is here, so we make it look like it's something else. Research. Let's make her let's make it so her just a little bit here. She relaxes her. She brings these out for the ch a little bit more. And why not just here and then go g is almost the same, jeepers. Why don't we, since we have this here, let's go in and grab these control points here and add a ch, a ch in here, just for the heck of it. Research going, go, and it's like an O immediately, go. Ooh doesn't seem like O. Ooh. Do I have an ooh there? Let's check the ooh out. Research g. Is there a G? Should we find a G, or does it really go to just a G-O and like an O? This is the O. There's a G, H-I-G-E-F. G. Okay, let's do a G. A quick little G here. let's create a keyframe here so it's not moving, and then open it up. Look at that, the tongue. These go out here. These go out, but not really down, but not really up, I mean. Kind of down even. And then the tongue does a kind of big roll push forward. Exactly like that. Exactly like that. I like it. That's our G. Select it all. Pose it. Add a new G. G, I wonder. Go, and then we're gonna do a we're gonna go here. We're gonna do and see what the O is all about. Go. No, that is an We need an I wonder if I do alt. Let's save. Do you have subtitles? I never configure. I couldn't get the subtitles working. I have. I don't think you'd want subtitles with what I'm doing right now. How's New York? How's the subtitles gonna work? I love you, Muhammad. Thank you for always kind of like being here from the beginning. I don't know how to get the closed caption going. You know what I mean? You know what, guys? I need to do. I need to use the restroom. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick you with not this. I'm gonna have you watch my amazing sci-fi thing over and over and over until I get back from pee. Okay, this is a little side project I'm working on. It's really rough. But it's kind of a proof of concept. Um. Anyway, books. What's up? What'd you try to What'd you try to link? You know I don't mind if you link something. Yeah, I just don't think it's allowed. I don't know how to set that up, to be honest. Okay, so back to the boring bar scene after seeing that amazing sci-fi footage. Okay, well, I know. So we are, gosh, why'd we lose track already? We were on G, right? We doing O. We want O. See, if I step away, I lose what phenome I'm on. I just can't keep track. I'm a stoner, you know. Like, what are you gonna do? Of course, it looks very, very like big. All the words look very big, but that's because there's no acting going on around it, right? Of course, she's not moving. She's not like emoting, saying thing. You know, like it's all just like look at her lips and how crazy they are. I need to obviously do other animated bits as well. What I wanted to do this time is what I want to make sure I do is kind of like phenome the words, say the words, so then I can act her face and body kind of around her dialogue, right? Like it motivates it, so to speak. Let's walk through this again. How's the sleep research I thought we did a G. Didn't we just do a G? Oh, we were doing a G and an O, kind of, right? We went to O instead. This wasn't a G, huh? This was a ch. This is a ch here. So this is a G. G. G and O. Go. G. This is a get, not a go. Two different things. We want to do more of a O. G. More of an O here. Not an oo either. So we got both the G and the O as the opposite of what the other versions of what they're not supposed to be in our pose library here. We have a G here, right? We did have a G, right? So wait, let's go here to this keyframe. Let's select, I think we already have them all selected. Let's see what the G is. Why is it trying to get to G already over here? That's not what I did. It's a little weird. Get, no, we don't want get, we want go. So yeah, we do want this kind of O, but we need a, let's ignore this G. Let's try to find an O on here, maybe. Go, yeah. This one right here. Go, ooh, go, oh. We kind of want this one here, right? Go, go, go. Research going, going. Research going, go. This is what I have to do, people. Going, go, going. Research going, go. Search going. So she does kind of drop it down again. Relaxes before the G. This is the ch. That's the ch. Research. Go. Let's try something. You are going to go back to your home. Okay, go ing, ing. Is it like an E phenome? Ing, yeah, like here. Go ing. No? Go research. Go ing. This is tough. Oh, I fucking forgot. I gotta bring these bad boys back up. Yeah, what's up, Lucky? Thanks for stopping in. Don't worry about it, man. How's it going? I don't know why these lips are so... Ing, go ing. Go ing. This isn't perfect, y'all. G. G. Okay, and then she's just gonna go ing. G. She's going to now Okay, we got out. How's the sleep research going? Save our work. How's everyone today? How are you? What's up? Thank you for stopping in. We're learning character animation, guys. Thank you, YouTube, for an education and for allowing me to goof off in public, basically. I appreciate that. You know we all need attention. Okay, let's walk through this. So it's how's the sleep research going? How's the sleep research going? Break out the champagne, guys. We got it. Now, we don't know how, like, how's the sleep research going? How's the sleep research going? It's like 3 seconds, right? That's 90 frames. We have it right now being from basically this is that sentence. Essentially 90 to 260. Let's who's gonna do the math for me? Is that 3 seconds long? 90. That's 170 frames. Yeah. No. Wait. What? That's 5.5 seconds. So we would obviously need to select the world, everything, go in here to here, and do it basically 90 plus 90 to frame 180 is where we want it. Really? Oh gosh, that's small. Okay. So more like that is where we want it to play back. Now I can't get a playback. I can't get a good playback on this. So there's no sense in even. I get like 5 frames a second. I gotta work her ponytail, obviously, but not right now. Yeah! Basically, right? Destroyed my keyboard full of anger in class. How, dude? Teacher just went along with his program and ignored any questions. Over and over again, and I could not finish my project today. Also, I got mad at some triple account connection for a company standard program. Triple account connection. Don't you hate doing those? I have no idea what that means, but I think it's like lots of annoying stuff. Thanks, Lucky. Thanks, we're getting there. What are we at here? What are we at? We're in we have 40 minutes. We can finish the next sentence. New Yorkers sleeping soundly today. Let's get that in, and then we'll have time maybe to do a little bit of acting, body acting and face acting along with to match the words. Listen to the words coming out of my mouth. Um, so, um, how's the sleep research? Oh, no. How's the sleep research going? And then just like a beat, like 90-second beat or 60-second beat. So like at 2:50, she starts to talk again. Because we don't want to like have her like blah 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 like nonstop. We got to have her like take some moments, have some time. Maybe we can cut to a reverse on Vince. You know. Say Haas, what's up, man? Thanks for stopping in, man. All right, so the next New Yorkers. So let's select all of our bits and bobs that we're doing. I think we saved. Hopefully we saved. Let's select these bad boys. Let's set a keyframe for them. We can tweak some smiles and stuff in the middle there. That'll be, we'll do that in the face acting portion after we lip sync. We'll go back and we'll find moments in between keys and stuff to make sure she's smiling or where her mouth is and everything. And that'll go along with face acting. Facting. Okay, so we're gonna bring this up to 500 to get it. We're gonna go more than that. So, so much going on in the graph editor. And now we're going to do an N. And I think we already have an N here. So what we can do is go right here, select N, let's go to that pose. Yes, sirs and ma'ams, that is an N. Good job. New, ooh. We got an ooh, and I already have an ooh here. So let's go to here and say New Yorkers. Do we have a relaxation before York? New York. No, it just goes right to New York, and I think the is similar. What is this? It's like a symbol that I shouldn't. Okay. It's very similar to E, isn't it? But with the tongue, E, yeah, your, New York, my York, York. Hers is like more pushed back. York is more like I'm doing a York. New York. Let's go to an E here and see what happens. Well, that's not right. I think I got jacked up. That's an E. It's not an E. I thought I had like a stronger E. Let's roll the tongue up and move it to visibility. And then let's close the jaw a little bit more. Let's bring the lip down. We'll call that our Y. Let's select everything here and let's add a new pose. Call it Y. And this goes directly into your I think our O is the oo one, not the O one. So we do have to make the, which we were talking about here. Or like this one right here. Obviously, that's the one we want, right? Okay, so we need to do the old, bring the inner lips, the outer lip corners closer together for this one. So we bring these in a little bit. The mouth is about that open, maybe a little bit more. Let's not be lazy about where we're doing it. That's right there. And then we move the tongue down. The tongue can Alt G, Alt R. And we have to come in and do these guys. Whoa. Where's the, there should be one in here, shouldn't there? Is this the one? I think that's too far. Is it? What? I don't know if I'm using the right ones. Okay, let me try that because I need as much performance as possible. Thanks, Lucky. Give me a second. Just want to try to sculpt this ore thing. Okay, here. These blue things don't really stick out very well. Let me tell you what. All right, she says it a little cockeyed. So what? She's like, "Or, it's fine." All right. She's fine. She's healthy. Don't worry about her. And you don't see any teeth here, but I don't want to deform her too much here. Yeah, it's totally not it, but let's keep it. We're doing it. We're moving on. Doing it live. It's for science. Let's go in and let's make another pose for that. And this pose is going to be OR. And then that means we're on what? We're on what? We're on New York or we didn't do K yet as a pose. Look at this. See, I was just talking about. It's unbelievable, how, you know, and I'm in the mix on this. Like, it's unbelievable how many tutorials and resources are out there for Blender now. I was saying, you know, Max and Maya may still be considered like the more professional, you know, platform. But they can't compete. There's no way, I don't think, that Maya and Max community can compete to the amount of resources and tutorials and stiff stuff that Blender's kicking out, man. It's just ridiculous. If you have Max or Maya and you like search like, I don't know, I mean, unwrapping UVs, you know, straightening UVs, you'd be like hard to find it. I don't know. Like, my point is, some obscure tutorial, Blender probably has it. It's great. They're constantly coming out with content, man. What did I want to do? I wanted to try to do what you said, Lucky, before I go on to. Maybe I should finish Yorkers, and then when I get on to sleeping, at least I'll so I can remember exactly what I'm doing. She's a little cockeyed there. That's fine. That's we need K now, right? We're on K. York. What I want to do is select everything that we had, and I want to relax it all. Alt R, Alt G. And believe it or not, that's more relaxed. It looks like, but I guess that's the relaxed pose. That's fine. We just make her happier. That's all you need to do. All right, we're actually just gonna, we're making a K in here, right? This is the K. Cur, and then it goes into ER. Moving and rolling the tongue up. That's going to be our K. So let's select everything that's involved. And then let's make another one for K. And then we're going to take that to like an E. E, is more. York, is a different type of shape than EIA. Right? Am I right? All right. Which one is it? It's I think that's what this upside down E is. E. Oh no, it's right here. Oh, the old. This is an interesting shape here, huh? I feel like I'm using the blue ones and I should be using the green ones. That's my issue. I've been posing kind of for a couple of those. I was posing the little blue ones when I should be, I think, using these ones right here. These are like the cool FK ones. These are like cool, like the IK ones that make everything move around with it. These green ones are the shape, kind of the shape key kind of shape modifiers, and then the blue ones are for micro modifications. But I don't know why I wasn't using these before. I did in the beginning of my animations. This one, it's interesting. You see more of the bottom of the teeth. Let's try that. Let's give that a try and see if that helps with the actual realism. So let's roll that out a little and then bring I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. I just want to get it done. Okay, so that is the ER here. Let's add it. Add new pose. ER. Let's save our work. New Yorkers. And it's going to end in a Z, like an SZ. Or XXZ. I think that's XXZ. XZ. Do we already have that? Let's try it. It has a negative on that one. Big negative. Let's create it ourselves. Let's. I'm going to Alt G, Alt R, and let's build it ourselves here. So we'll start with the mouth just barely open though, because I think the teeth are touching. So we need to figure out how to do that. So it's just basically these are pulled back. Lips, the teeth, tip of the tongue. Psych, psych. Look at that. there's our SX. Let's go in and select everything involved, add it, add new, pose, SX. And then New Yorker's, it's gonna go to sleeping after that, but we're gonna first see if we can optimize it, optimize something real quick. So we're on sleeping, keep in mind. Simplify on max subdivisions. You're talking about for the character? Because these guys are already, if you go see, if you check it out, check them out. Their subdivisions are already turned off in the viewport. So these are actually the low res version. There's a different, like, so what do you mean? Like, where's the simplify at? I forget. I also turned off everything. I made everything low. One of the things I think I might need to turn off more is ambient occlusion. I think that's what slows things down too. I'm not even gonna lie, and I've been forgetting about that. I've been forgetting about ambient occlusion. It's still like, okay. Screen space, let's turn this off as well. These are already set kind of low. These are turned off. Simplify is on. Max subdivisions. Simplify on / max subdivisions. And anything on 0 at the viewport level there. You're gonna have to clarify, dude. What do I set these numbers at? What do you mean, like for these? What do you want me to put these numbers at? You said simplify on / max subdivisions. And anything on 0 at the viewport setting in there. I think that improved my playback. Let's see what our playback's at now. We usually get 4 to 5 frames a second. We turned off ambient occlusion and changed simplify. We're only at 5 FPS, 7 FPS. It added 1.5 to 2 frames a second more. Oh, god damn. Now here's the thing, I forget about what happens here. I'm using Optic X right now and selecting GeForce, my 2070. Does Eevee even take advantage of that? Should I be using CUDA for using Eevee or my Intel? Or should I change any of this because I'm working in Eevee? Isn't this better for cycles? I don't know, like how. This is just, the Optic X GeForce 2070 is what works best for me in general. It renders so much faster. Things render so much faster, especially in cycles when I have this set up like this. No need to change the render one. Yeah, okay. What was the render one at? It was just at 1, right? This is at 1, or is this 6? That was 6, right? I changed this down to, what does this mean? That was at 1. This was all the way up before. If I change this down, I don't know what that's going to do. Resolution percentage of volume objects and volume. That's volume resolution. I don't have any volume, so it doesn't even matter. All right. I thought about adding a volume in here, but that would really increase my render times. I didn't feel like it. Damn it, why are you working on a different video card, man? My last card was a Radeon card too, and I was like, nope, not anymore. I've always been in GeForce NVIDIA, building computers way back for like 15 years, and I did my last computer, I got a Radeon, and I was like, it was pretty cool, but not as smooth running, let's just say, as the GeForce cards. So I went back to GeForce again, NVIDIA. Guys, let's watch where we're at again. This is pretty junk. It's super slow, but I wanted to get it right. I wanted to get the... It was harder than you think to do that, and I know the timing's off. But it's all off. Look at this. I mean, that walk is... Look at these anomalies here. I think it's a bloom clamp I have to figure out, but this one isn't a bloom clamp. Where's that error? That was it. See, I don't think I'll be able to catch it. It's like 1 frame. You see that frame? Look at this. What is this? Come on, Evie. This is like... I read the explanation for this might be... is that when two faces have a flat face in the middle, and then that flat face gets squished and the two things get rendered together, that it makes it super white, and if you have bloom on, it'll like... There's like this complicated explanation. I don't know which one this is, but if you ever see like white flashes, like this is rendering because two faces, this little like... two faces are squishing another face in, and it's like Z fighting / something. It's complicated. It's like quantum entanglement. I don't even know. But it causes these white pixels. And if you have bloom on without a clamp, these simple white pixels can turn into a massive bloom, and it'll ruin an entire frame of animation. I'm just doing this. I don't care. Like, this is like test bullshit animation, so I don't care if there's anomalies. And then we did this scene. Okay, where are we at here in time? We have 10 minutes. 10 minutes. We can finish up this line of dialogue. New Yorkers. Oh, can I do sleeping soundly today in 10 minutes? Let's go. All right, let's turn up all this shit here, and is this gonna simplifying all that stuff? Is that really gonna mess up? Is that gonna mess up my lip syncing abilities? Because it looks a little different, doesn't it? Yorkers. This was the last thing I ended on. Yorkers. What? So we're not going to use those blue ones anymore. Now let's make sure we have this in pose mode. Okay, so we're here. It seems to be scrolling. It seems to be scrubbing on the timeline much better. Thank you. Thanks, Lucky. All right, so we ended it in Yorkers, right? We're on to sleeping. sleeping. And then an L here. Did we do an L yet? At some point, we're going to have every single pose we want. No, we didn't do an L? Surprising. An L. La 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 la. That is what it is. Let's make that happen. It's not so much this. It's an L mixed with an E. Let's build it. Let's build it right now. We're going to combine an E and an L though, so I think that's kind of like we're not that wide open in the mouth for this L. So let's make sure we rotate this closed a little bit more. And we brought that in before. We need to bring that back. And then we'll have the tongue. Roll way up and go to the tip of the teeth, but make sure it's seen that it's doing that. So we did the S already, and then this is the L. So let's select everything involved. Let's make it an L. Can you give me an L? An S, an L. And now we're going to go straight to E, like a full E. Here. E. That's not the E I want. That's not the E I want either. Let's take this E and tweak it. You can take your E and stick it. E. What are you doing there? Get out of it. Excuse me while I work with my mouth open there. Sorry, I'm like, hey. That's going to be our E, or other E. So let's, what do we have, an A and an E, and this is an EE. Let's do what they did. EE. Let's save our work. Sleep. We have a P here that we built already. Giving you my L. My new name is now Ucky. You're Ucky. Ew. You know Ucky, right? Ew. Where did we say we're going? To the P. We're going to the P. Sleep. Is a P here? and then ing, ing, ing. E, e, ing. The EE is going to work for that, I think, again, right? Ing. Ing. E and N, the ing, IN, the IN there is not going to change much. Ing. And the other is the G, really. It just kind of like does a thing. Let's try to add a G in there. G. That's a very strong G there, Rain. Let's manipulate that a little bit. Okay, and then, wow, dude, okay. We're on to soundly. This stuff takes a long time. All right, that's sleeping. Let's see if we can keep track of this after we do all of this. Let's see if we can keep track of where we're at. We're gonna have to go back and play it. Okay, sleeping. We go into soundly. We have a few minutes to do soundly today. We have 2 words to do. We're gonna have to extend the 2 hour, guys. We're taking it to a 7 hour today. Remember those first live streams I was doing? I was doing like 7 hour days, a couple of those when I was working on the City Alley. The City Alley scene was my first live stream, I believe. I think took like a week to do. It was like 6 hour streams, 7 hour streams. So we're gonna go here, sleep. New Yorkers sleeping soundly today. New Yorkers sleeping soundly today. Sleeping soundly. Sleeping soundly. Sleeping soundly. It goes right into an S. No, not that S. This S. Yep. Yep. Okay. Did I move it forward already? I did, right? Sound. Ow, ow, ow. Sound. Ow, that's ooh. O-R, or, ow. Oh, man. I didn't make that one yet. Soundly. Sound. Let's build it. First of all, like, I kind of want to select them all. Do the old Alt R, Alt G. Yep, I knew that was selected. Damn it, what is that? The neck? That's the neck I'm selecting by accident. Okay. Now she's relaxed. Let's build. Let's build. Let's build it. I feel like even it's a little different. We're gonna do this. We're gonna pull these back. Sound. It goes ow, ow. So it does go into an O. So let's do it like a shorter one and go into this maybe. First, let's select all the things. Sound. Then we go into an N. D, and then a D. We've not made a D yet. I don't think. D. 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 Sound. D. Sound. D. I think we just dropped the corners of the mouth for this, and it's almost the same. Let's call that a D. All right, books. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for stopping in. Thank you very much. I'll see you. Appreciate it, and I'll go check out your awesome video, guys. Go stop by the Discord. It's in the description, I believe, right? I think I have. Do I have Discord in the descriptions lately? And go check out Books' stripper animation episode of her series or web series thingamajiggy for her book. All right, we're on D. That's a D. Soundly. I think we're just gonna go to E on that. And then we're gonna go today. Did I not get the T? This is T to, I think we want to bring the corners of the mouth down a little. We'll call that T let's move it forward and then go to I think it's not as to that's where I was, right? God, I think that's where I was. And then we select everything here. Go to D. We had a D, right? D. To A. God, this is D. A. Today, and then the Y, which we have here, and then we make sure her neck, hopefully her neck isn't selected, and it is. It still is. Oops. Why'd I control Z that? Like out of like some weird habit. And then let's make sure that she ends in a smile. Here. She likes to smile from this side, so she's kind of like this. All right. Woo! We did it. We got through in 2 hours and 6 minutes. Let's run through slowly what I said, what we lip synced today. Oh my goodness. Oh goodness. We started from 80. It's basically, okay, what's new, Vince? What's new, Vince? Let's turn off this stuff right here. Vince. And then, how's the sleep research going? How's the sleep research? Whoa. Research going. New Yorkers sleeping soundly today? New Yorkers. Nope. New Yorkers sleep. Wow. I don't know. Sleeping soundly tonight. Sure, man. Hey, dude. You know, like, this is some pretty articulate lip syncing. This is the hard stuff, man. Roast me. Dope. That's it. Now, I mean, I'm going to assume that's it. I just walked through it slowly, and I can make that work in ADR. I can ADR that. This white glitch here, if you ever get this white glitch, the way to fix that is you just go in and you just turn on ambient occlusion. It's some weird ambient occlusion thing. I don't know why it's doing it for my character, but it's the way I imported the rigs. I don't know. That's it. So let's okay, so what we need to do is shrink it again, right? A little bit. Get the timing down. We haven't done that yet. And then we'll wrap up the stream on that. So let's select all of our gizmos and rinkety-doos. I feel like this we already shrunk this one properly, and this is the spacing on this one. But I'm gonna guesstimate. Ooh. I'm gonna guesstimate. It's gonna be about like this, small or even smaller than that. We wanted a space in between there for sure, because she does take a little break, a couple second, 3-second break before she says, "New Yorkers sleeping soundly today." But I think that's about that tight. Dude, that is not bad when I can literally play it back and lip sync and in my mind see her saying, "New Yorkers sleeping soundly tonight." Not bad. I mean, it's garbage. Let's be honest. It's bad. You know, Pixar level bad. Like, but I mean, for just learning this, that's cool, man. Groovy stuff. All right, well, we're wrapping up the stream, and that is up. That is it for today. And we might come on the cozy stream tonight and work on that sci-fi animation thing we're working on. I don't know, either that or we're working on the War of the Worlds concept to render. That piece, that's a cozy stream as well, and I might also mix it up with the cozy stream. I don't know, maybe I'll have midday streams or call it something else or do something and work on the sci-fi thing. Maybe I'll just work on the sci-fi thing by myself. Maybe record videos of it. I don't know. But again, everyone, thank you for stopping in, and I will probably see you tomorrow morning.